What is going on, guys? Sergeant Tech Tips. I'm going to be showing you a tool that I have used at the local computer store that I recorded some of my recent videos on. And the reason I'm doing this video is because a lot of people don't realize that when you uninstall software, there is still a F-ton of files and stuff that are left in the file system of where usually the application installs, like program files and all that other stuff, or program files times 86. So I'm going to show you how to download it, but this is what it's going to look like. Go ahead and open it. It's going to give you the helper. It's going to give you obviously the software, and then you're going to want to keep these files. So to download it, you're going to go to the link in the description below. You're going to click portable version, and then it's going to do this. And you're going to click on it. Chrome, it'll pop up down here. It's going to take you to the downloads folder. What you want to do is you want to right click on it, click extract to, and then it's going to pop up in this folder, and then you have all the files. But to use the software, I'm just going to go ahead and uninstall something because I'm sure I got something I don't use on here. So what you want to do is just go ahead and launch Portable. This is a paid software. You will have to pay for it. I do not know if there's a crack out for it, and even if there is, I would recommend paying for it to support the developers. So go ahead and right click on it and click Run as Administrator. You don't always have to run it as administrator, but it's a good idea. The UAC is going to pop up. Go ahead and click yes on that. Now what you want to do is you want to find the software you want to remove. So for example, I'm going to remove Twitch Studio. You're going to right click on it and click uninstall. And then it's just going to uninstall it. And then it's going to say the built uninstaller has finished its job. Would you like to perform a deep scan of your system registry and file system for unused registry entries and files left? Click OK. Now another thing you can do with the portable version is put it on a flash drive, which is what I'm going to do. So if I have a family member who has a laptop or a computer, I can just completely remove the software. And then it's gone. And I'm just going to make sure it's not here. So if I go to Twitch, which I didn't actually use, so it's okay. As you can see, it's gone. You can remove games and stuff, but I would recommend uninstalling the game from like Steam and stuff because it can mess up that. But you can uninstall software fairly easily. Now, if there's a software that won't uninstall, let me see if I can find a software that I don't use. Oh, here we go. Google Chrome. I can reinstall it. So go ahead and right-click on it and click Force Removal. Click Yes, and it's going to force remove all the files. It's not going to uninstall it at all. Just so you know, it's just deleting all the files, so it's basically uninstalling it. Because when you uninstall a file or uninstall an application, all it does is remove the files and stuff that are built into Windows or the registry to make that software run. The generating traces list can take a while depending on how big the software is or what it is for a software, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so once this pops up, then you can go ahead and read it. This will pop up even if you right-click and click uninstall and not force uninstall. This will pop up sometimes. So you just have to go through and see if there's any other stuff and just click finish. So that I did not know. You do have to purchase it to do this, but that's completely fine. If you do buy the software, go ahead and click finish and click, obviously, it'll remove all the files from the registry. So that's how you use uninstall tool. Obviously, it's unregistered. You can go ahead and purchase it, and if you would like to purchase it, go to help and click purchase. It's going to take you here. It's going to tell you how much it is. So you get a portable license, single user, multiple PCs, $40. It's actually not that bad for this, to be 100% honest with you. I would probably not use any tool ISO, to be 100% honest with you. It is a Crystal Media software, which is fine, or Crystal Idea. This is the same software that my Mac video, how to change the Mac fan speed. But yeah, guys, so that is how you use the uninstall tool, and this is kind of just an overview of it. If you guys would like me to go more in depth with the software, I can do a follow-up video. But I thank you guys for all the support, the comments, the likes. It means a lot to me, and I hope I can continue to do YouTube, something I enjoy doing. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.